Buyers beware! This is an official announcement from QX World to raise awareness towards certain misleading devices on the market. It has come to our attention that there are devices on the market circulating under the name of EDUCTOR1, different from the ones manufactured by QX World. The QX World office has been provided a device and ran a test in a professional laboratory. On the left, you can see an original QX World EDUCTOR, and on the right, an EDUCTOR1 manufactured by a different source. The original EDUCTOR device is blue. This EDUCTOR1 is purple-bluish. The USB port of this EDUCTOR1, located on the back side of the device, is pushed inwards, and the insertion is not perfectly cut. The inside of this EDUCTOR1 compared to the original EDUCTOR. Left side, signal panel that includes the 3 signal generators, the tri-vector test kit, the harness connection, responsible for sending and receiving input through the harness, analysis of the measurements and waveforms generation. Right side, the complete signal panel cannot be found, meaning there is no measurement analysis, no sending and receiving input, no waveform generation, no test kit, no biofeedback. The harnesses are connected to the signal panel through the LCD panel, with bidirectional communication capable of transmitting signals and receiving responses. Harnesses are only connected to one another, not connected to any hardware part. LCD panel that controls the LCD screen. The signal panel and LCD panel are completely entwined in the case of the original EDUCTOR. The red part is an LCD panel. It is only showing animations on the screen. There are no other hardware components. There is no option to connect a signal panel to the hardware in its current state without significant further developments. A hardware and firmware testing software was used to test this EDUCTOR1 of a different source, and the results were the following. The EDUCTOR1 is playing a video randomly, regardless of the command we send. A usual command is of the following format: .command: or command: . In the case of the EDUCTOR1, regardless whether we sent a command or just random words, the device responded in the same way, playing a video randomly. Furthermore, we can make the following assumptions based on the analysis of the hardware of this EDUCTOR1. 1. The electrical safety requirements for medical devices define a certain insulation distance between the galvanically isolated circuit parts, which appears not to be taken into consideration. In the hypothetical case of a serious electrical malfunction of the electrical net or control computer, the soldered tin pod that bridges the insulation could facilitate a situation where the health of the patient is jeopardized. 2. This device has only one USB connector control display interface circuit and no other circuit elements. In addition to the processor and RAM circuit that is needed to drive the display, there is only an SD card slot that contains simple images and animations. 3. The electrode connectors of the device are only connected to each other without any electronic components. There is no measurement option, no signal generation, no contact testing, no biofeedback. Please take into consideration all the above when purchasing an EDUCTOR system on the market, and beware of the differences if you wish to purchase an original QX World system. We are always at your disposal, and if you think you are purchasing an official system but cannot confirm, we strongly recommend to check with our official representatives on www.qxsubspace.com or with the QX World HQ directly at help@qxsubspace.com.